Alright, in this video we're going to go over installing and selecting the server for ThunderPOS version 5.4. The installation process has changed with this version. It's quite simple now, particularly if you're using a cloud-based server, which we introduced with this version. So that's actually what we're going to set up in this video. So we have here a fresh VM to install to, and we just have the installer on it. So we're just going to run that. You just proceed through. The default settings should be okay for most users. You will have to elevate in most versions of Windows, so that's just agreeing that you're installing a program. And then you'll see a shortcut on your desktop named ThunderPOS. So if you just run that, it's going to ask you to register here. And I've got a license that I have set up that we can use for this demonstration. So we're just going to register this here. And this user's been set up. We'll be deleting it later today to have a cloud database, so we can demonstrate that. So it's going to actually ask to elevate again in order to set up the server. And you're going to be presented with three choices. So for this demo, we're going to actually be using a cloud server we already have set up, so it'll be saved online in the cloud. But if you want to use a local SQL server, which can be more cost effective, it can be a little bit quicker if you have the computer to handle it, then you would select install SQL Server on this computer. Or if this is a secondary station and you've installed SQL Server on another computer locally, you would select I have a local server already. But in this case, we're going to select that we are saving it online in the cloud. We're going to hit OK. And it's actually going to look up if we have a cloud server or not, and then connect us to it. There is already data in this particular cloud server. I've been using it on and off throughout today. So we'll actually see here that this is not the most recent version, and it'll offer us the option to update. But we're going to just skip that for now. We will log in, and that is the full setup process for using a cloud server. For using a local server, you don't really have to do too much else. You just say that it's a local one and it should automatically install. As long as everything goes smoothly, that's all of the setup you have to do for a one-station system either way.